The Ahrefs Backlink Checker is a great tool for finding whatever backlinks your competitors have been getting that are helping them rank organically on Google. So let's take a look at how this all works. Now, in order to use this tool, you need to sign up for a subscription to Ahrefs. They don't offer like a free trial or anything like that. But once you do have your account set up and you're logged in, what I like to do is start by going to Google and do a search for whatever service or product. In this case, the example we're going to use is Scottsdale Plumbers. Of course, you can just kind of whatever comes top of mind for you. If you're a roofer in Houston, you should type in roofers in Houston or Houston roofer, whatever. Usually what you'll find is some of the most authoritative companies are going to show up at the top. It's kind of how Google's designed, right? And then what I like to do is just copy this website URL here. And then I'll come back to Ahrefs and put it into the top bar up here at the top, and I'll click search. That's going to show us a page that looks like this. This is the overview page here. And then right away, we'll see the backlink profile. This is going to be everything to do with backlinks right here in the middle. The total number of backlinks, how many domains we're getting referral, or this site is getting referrals from. This is really more like a competitor situation. And then the overall authority of the site. Then if you click on this number right here where it says backlinks, or even on the domains, but I'm just going to check this one here. When I click on that, it takes us to this page. This is where we started off at. And you'll be able to see all sorts of different backlinks that they're getting and where those backlinks are coming from. So like the Better Business Bureau, for instance, plumbersearch.org. These are like highly relevant for a local business like Yellow Pages. So imagine you just start a plumbing company and you're trying to get your business ranked, or you get hired to do the SEO for this company. And you look at the top competitor and they have the Better Business Bureau linking to them. They have Yellow Pages. They've got all these local directories and everything. And maybe the site that you're working on has like 0 backlinks. Well, first thing you're probably going to want to do then is to go and get backlinks from those same places that your competitor's getting backlinks from. Thing is you can't really do that unless you know where they're getting backlinks, right? And Ahrefs is one of the most powerful tools for finding backlinks. Both for your own website and for competitors, because they've done a lot of work to index all of the links online, and their tool is really powerful for this sort of thing. Typically, what I like to do from here is to export this file here, and I'll just export the whole thing with all 857 rows into a spreadsheet. Then I'll save that somewhere, and then I have kind of like a reference that I can go back to, and then I can like highlight. So maybe I flagged that I want to get this Better Business Bureau link. Then I can go through, set up a Better Business Bureau account, link to the site and everything, and then cross that off the list, right? That's just it. I'll just sort of go through link by link and start building backlinks for the site from these different sites that we're seeing the competitors get backlinks from. And the more we get, like Super Pages, again, Better Business Bureau, Firesite, as we start to load up on backlinks that are kind of similar to what this competitor is getting, that will essentially give us the authority to start ranking right up next to this site, or even above them if we can get even more high quality backlinks. And keep in mind that not every backlink is considered equal, right? There are some that have a high domain authority and page authority, if you will. Ahrefs has slightly different metrics, DR and UR, but it's kind of the same concept. Like, how valuable is this link? How much power does it pass? Yellow Pages is, pretty big website, gets almost 500,000 visitors a month, it looks like. Better Business Bureau gets almost 4 million visitors a month, right? So these are like really authoritative websites. And Google does want to see a local business in a lot of these local directories like Yellow Pages and Better Business Bureau and everything. So extremely important. But again, it's going to be different for every industry. So I think the best thing to do is just to go to Google, do a search, find the top competitors, analyze their backlink profiles. So after I've analyzed this one, I would analyze the next one. And then I can start to see where there might be overlap. Like if everybody who's ranking at the top has Better Business Bureau, it's probably a good idea to go get a backlink from the Better Business Bureau, which really just involves setting up a listing over there. It's pretty straightforward. It just takes time and energy to make it happen. But either way, I hope you did find this video helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of the Ahrefs Backlink checker, anything of that nature, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.